Hello friends, a warm very welcome to my YouTube channel, The Pirate Academy. So today I'm here with another question of 4.2, exercise 4.2, question number 1, part 1. So the question says, find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization method. And the first part is x square minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. So what is factorization method? So when a question is given, find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization method. What you have to do is take the equation, write it down, and at the right side of your paper, just make a rough column where you can do all your calculations and rough works. So here you have to write like this: A, B, and C. So in the factorization method, you have to split the middle term. So how exactly can you split the middle term? So I will be showing it to you today. So watch my video till the end. So after writing A equal B equal C, then what you have to do is compare this equation with the general form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Then you will find that x is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Here, if there is nothing with x square, then you can write it as 1. And with x there is 3, so minus 3. Don't forget to write that sign, minus 3. And c, it is minus 10. So what you have to do is, when you multiply a into c, you should get you will get a value that is minus 10. Minus 10 into 1 is minus 10. So you have to find now you have to find the factors of minus 10. So the factors of minus 10 are 1 into 10 and 2 into 5. So what you have to do right now is, from these factors you should find one factor in which we can find, when we multiply those factors we should get c, and when we add those factors, when we add or subtract those factors, we should get b. So here we can see that 2 into 5, when we multiply it we will get minus 10, and when we subtract it we will get minus 3. So now I am going to write the answer of this question. So you have to begin it with writing like this: x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. So how did I get this? Just look at here, x square, I wrote the same thing. Now we splitted this middle term. That is what factorization is. So splitting the middle term. Okay, you can, if you want, you can write it like this in a bracket: splitting middle term. Okay, so by splitting it we will get it as x square minus 5x plus 2 x minus 10. So what is minus 5x plus 2? So it is minus 3. Okay, now what you have to do is quite simple. You should find the common factors in these two. Okay, in these two you have to find the common factors. So common factors are x into x minus 5 and 2 into x minus 5. How did I get this? I'll show you. See, you should write like this: how many x is there in x square? 2x. How many x is there in minus 5x? 1x, and 1 minus and 1 5. So the common factors x, I wrote it here, and the other things I wrote here. And here, how many x is there in 2x? 1x and 2. How many and what all are there in 10? 2 and 5. So here we can find 2 as the common factor, so I wrote it here, and the other stuff I wrote inside. So now we can see that these two things are the same. If these are not same, it means that what you wrote is wrong. You should always make this same, then only you will get the correct answer. Okay, so what you have to do right now is x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. You should write like this one we wrote here, this one, and this x and plus 2 we wrote it here. Okay, I hope you understood. Now what you have to write is, you have to solve the x. You have to find the x from this equation. So what is x? X is equal to, when you take minus 5 here, you will get it as 5 plus 5. X is equal to 5, and when you and here x is equal to, when you take 2 to the right hand side, you will get it as minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. So these two are the roots of this equation. Okay, so we found the roots of the equation x square minus 3x minus 10 equals 0 by the factorization method. Okay, so this is the answer. Thank you.